guys, I just got these brakes and I'm gonna take care of the Acura, make it flat, and using the grinder thing, and it'll be loud. And let's do this. There you go. I'm gonna sand the line. There you go. And I'm gonna sand it, and that's it. Right here, guys, it's all flat. Looks good. And I'm gonna do this one. That takes like probably like 10 minutes, and sand it. Let's go finish the other one. Hello guys, I'm doing I already cleaned it, and I forgot to take video, take apart, but I already put some gasket already, and this one don't have it yet. You can see it, and this one too. And I'm using this brand for the Acura RL. You can see right here all the gasket, and I'm gonna get the piston and put it in. Here we go, guys. This one I put it in. Takes me time to put the rubber. It's like so tight, just need to push it in around it. But when inside, looks good. And I'm gonna do the other one. This one. Put some oil. No, the black fluid, not oil. Black fluid, I'm sorry. Second one. push in. The rubber. We can start right here. Push this one. There you go. Now I'm gonna do two more right here. And I'm gonna use paint, just only the brush. Yeah, I have a little bit left. I'm gonna be red. Just paint it. You're gonna use the brush, not the spray paint. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish this one and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna paint it. Just gonna use the brush. Here we go guys. I'm gonna use a duplicolor. That's my really old ones paint. And it's very prep. Let's go like 3 coat. There you go, guys. I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna stop the video and show you the second coat later. This is the first coat. How they look. Right here, guys. Second coat. And this is the first one. Second and first. Probably I'm gonna do four coats. Right here, the 3 coat. Gonna do one more. Here, guys, have put some 4 coats total. Looks good. Just probably gonna put together tomorrow. I want like 24 hours, you know. Looking good. Right here, guys, finally it's done, and I wait for like 24 hours to dry, and I messed up something here. Where's that? It's right there. But the colors is really nice. It's so bright, and have like a clear coat already. Then just gonna put some logo. I don't know, this is for my son, and he want I don't know what she want, but I think Honda. Just gonna put just a Honda name right there. It looks good though. Hello, guys, I just put some decals for the brakes, and we put Honda. Now I have more size, and I choose the big one. It's looking good, and thank you for watching, guys, and we're gonna install this one soon.